Hello, class. I'd like to answer a few more problems from the 1-4 homework. So it says true or false. When conducting a cluster sample, it is better to have fewer clusters with more individuals when the clusters are heterogeneous. I think that's true because when the clusters are heterogeneous, they are scaled down versions of the population. So let's check that out. Yeah, we got the nice work here. All right. Next question. Let's see, 17. Determine whether the following statement is true or false. Explain. When obtaining a stratified sample, the number of individuals included with each stratum must be equal. Now, that's not true. You want some type of proportion. So A, C, and D are all false, but basically within the stratified samples, the number of individuals sampled from each stratum should be proportional to the size of the strata in each population. Let's check answer. And we get the good job. Next, it says to determine the customer opinion of their check-in service. Looks like an airlines randomly selects 50 flights, but they survey all the passengers. So this seems to me like a cluster of 50 flights, but they're going to survey. When they survey everybody in that cluster, we call that cluster sampling. All right. Next, it says, all right, so for a poll of voters regarding a referendum calling for a national airline safety protocol, design a sampling method to obtain the individuals in the sample. So for a poll of voters, and it says for a national airline safety protocol. So I'm thinking we would do stratified random sampling, right? Since this is a national issue, different geographical locations are likely to have similar views. That makes sense to me. Okay, and then one more. Okay, let's look at number 20. A professor wants to randomly select 4 students to go to the board. She decides to randomly select the 7th student, so that's the first student, comma, and then every 9th student after that. So 9 students after 7 would be 16, and then the 9th student after the 16th student would be 25, and then 34. And I think that's 4 students, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check our answer. And we get the good job. So I hope that helps with your first homework assignment. Thank you for watching.